Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to do your assignment, which is negative space. So you have three examples or three pictures that you're going to make three different negative space drawings from. Draw is very intuitive and easy to use, so don't fret about that. We have all our tools up here. Um, Next to the cursor mark here, we have this little drop down, and it has different drawing abilities. I personally like Scribble because it allows you to have a little bit of freedom within your drawing. So basically, when you're looking at negative space drawings, you want to look at the highlights. So the lighter color or the lighter part of the picture. So where the sun is hitting, you want to negate the shadows. So you're just looking for the highlight of the picture. So for instance, this top area is very well lit. It has a nice like mid-tone here, and then this is dark. So we're looking for the mid-tones and the highlights when we're looking at negative space drawings. So this is how we do it. You start from one, oops, you have to go up here and grab your cursor, so scribble. So again, it's just under here. These are different drawing methods. Here's scribble, and then, oh, all right, and then you can go ahead and start your drawing. So make sure it's connected. Oops, let's get a little bit closer here. So I'm just starting from where I see, and I'm just going over the very highlighted areas. And I'm trying to make a one continuous line. So like this, it's a little bit lighter right here, it's darker here. And then that makes one. And then we can come over here. I'm just following the curvature of the plant, and what a weird plant this one is. So I'm just going and outlining the weirdness of this plant. And anything that's a little bit too dark, I just leave out. So once I have that complete, I'm going to go up here to our shapes. And I'm going to cover the whole thing. I'm going to turn it black. And I'm going to right click and write in under order, send to back. And then I'll delete my original, highlight my drawing, and make my drawing border. So here's your borders right here. This is your border. Click that, line color, click white or a different color, whichever you prefer. And you have a kind of unique, kind of organic shape. So one thing you can do is make it bigger, make it more abstract. I'm sure that there's options up here for painting. Actually, there might not be. So we just leave it as line work. So you're getting that negative space. We can see that this is positive space and this is negative space. You can change the colors to whatever you prefer, just so that I can see that you can see the outline of the plant and you understand the concept of negative space.